Hi, I'm Sandeep Kumar and I have joined KulizaU University for the course of the Frontend Developer, and I have here learned about the different technologies like Advanced JS and the Angular JS, and by working with the live projects and working in the hackathons, where in hackathons we work over the POCs for the live projects. Apart from the technical skills and developing interpersonal skills, we've also got the opportunity to interact with the client. I go on a video call with the client, listening to the requirement, the needs, and because this helps in better understanding what the product is. At KulizaU, I found the environment really cool environment over here, because you are free over here. You are not bound to some cubicles, but you can just sit anywhere, roam anywhere, and learn and study over here. Mentors are really very helpful over here, and they are well aware of which technology is in them. I haven't got the experience to work in a team. Now, after coming over here and participating in hackathons, I got to know how we proceed from the concepts to the product, where we coordinate among the different teams, where the designing team and the back-end development team and the front-end development team, we all together sit together, communicate our ideas, and finally come to the conclusion of the product. So I find KulizaU as a great platform to improve my skills and scale the heights of my career.